Rick, what is that? What kind of pizza? No, what's on there? What are the big red things?
Why?
Yeah, red, but what is it?
Tomato.
Tomato?
Yeah.
Can you say bruschetta pizza? Say bruschetta. Is it yummy? What is it? How does it taste?
Yummy.
Does it taste nummy? You wish you were grubbing that pizza. Mmm.
You're going to eat it out.
You're going to eat all the pizza?
Yeah?
Yeah? All by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We're going to eat them out.
You're going to eat it all?
Yeah.
Do you like tomato pizza? It has tomato and pesto and garlic. It's bruschetta pizza. Can you say bruschetta, Drake? Do you want to hold the pizza box? Here, hold it. Show Mama.